Hello everyone, Neftali here from Action Glass. Wanted to introduce this beautiful truck that we just finished working on. We have a System 1 ladder rack here, complemented with the aluminum toolboxes on each side. The ladder rack itself is aluminum, so it's very lightweight, very strong. The ladder rack comes with 2 winches on each side, so you can secure your own ladders. No more bungee cords needed. Toolbox has a beautiful shelving setup. So no more stolen tools, no more lost tools. You can keep everything nice and organized and lockable. So nobody going in your truck anymore. We have our deck systems with all of the compartmental space that you think you could need and some. And one of my favorite things about this truck is the beautiful cargo line that goes on top of the deck system. No more jumping in and out of your truck. You can literally lay everything on this board and pull everything out. No more misorganization. Action Glass, we do stuff like this every single day. 860-623-7722. We're right here in East Windsor, Connecticut. Come and check us out. Open 5 days a week, 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.